Good morning, students. As previously we are doing sound in physical science, today we are start the wave motion. So what is wave motion? The disturbance produced in a medium by to and fro motion of the particles about their mean position is called wave, and the transference of the energy when the particles of the medium move about their mean position is called wave motion. So obviously, as wave motion actually wave motion is a periodic disturbance, right? So obviously this is a periodic body vibrating of a periodic body. So wave motion, we can see that that every particle, the substance is waving, the particle of the waving substance, every particle of the waving substance started a motion, that is to and fro motion, about their mean position. So this is called wave, and the transfer of energy from particle to particle is called wave motion. So there are some characteristics of wave motion, like it is a periodic disturbance by vibrating of a vibrating body. Obviously this is a periodic. We can see if we throw a brick on the pond, there we can see a vibration, right? So that vibration, if we take a stopwatch, we will see that it will be a periodic disturbance, that it will vibrate after same time and same amount for the same amount of time. Number 2, wave propagates at the same speed in all direction. If we throw a brick on the pond, on the water, we can see a wave will produce, and that wave will propagate to all direction, right? Not a singular direction. Number 3, every transference take every transfer takes place at a constant speed, depends on the nature of the medium. Now here is the thing, the transfer of vibration or the transfer of motion to the all the particle, it will depend on the condition of the medium, the nature of the medium. It will be different from for oil to the water, right? For every medium it will be different. Now there are two types of wave, that is longitudinal wave and transverse wave. The the propagation of sound is a example of longitudinal wave, and waving a rope, if we wave a rope, that will be the example of a transverse wave. That's all for the class. We will read the other part on the day tomorrow.